and I'm gonna do a tutorial on how I make top ramen, and it's the oriental flavor. So what I do is split it in half so it's in the wrapper. Then I get some water in a bowl, and I put some water into the bowl. And then I open the top ramen, and I find the flavor packet, and I open it. And I pour it into the water. Get a fork and stir it. This is what it should look like. Then I put it under the microwave for 3 minutes and we wait. And then I will show you the next step. After I have the water heated up after 3 minutes, I take top ramen out of the bag and I put it into the bowl. And then after that, I'll show you what it looks like. I can't really see it, but yeah. It's in the bowl. And then I heat it a minute. And then I will stir it after a minute. And yeah. After you have it in there for a minute, heating up, take it out, and you flip the noodles over so the other side is in water. Or you either stir it if you want to have all the pieces of it, crunched up. You can do that too. And then I cook it for another minute. And then after that, I'll stir it again, cook it for another minute, and I'll show you once it's done after this time. Once you have heated it up, you stir it one more time. Make sure, the noodles are kind of broken up, so you can heat it one more minute. And after that one last minute, it should be done. And once you take it out, you stir it one last time after this time, and you can enjoy it. Now that it is done, take it out. Stir it again, just to make sure. And there you have it. Top ramen made in the microwave. Well, have a lovely day or night. Bye!